Good morning class. Today we will be doing sum number 17 of financial statement of partnership. Here the sum is Man and Mohan are partners of a partnership firm sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 1:1. From the given below trial balance and adjustment, prepare final accounts for the year ending 31/3/2017. This is trial balance and then adjustment. So to solve the sum, we will be making different accounts. First of all, we will make trading account. Here it is, trading account of partnership firm of Man and Mohan for the year ending on 31/3/2017. Then profit and loss account. Profit and loss account of partnership firm of Man and Mohan for the year ending on 31/3/2017. The another account is profit and loss appropriation account of Man and Mohan, as we can see here, and then partners current account, and finally the balance sheet. Balance sheet of partnership firm of Man and Mohan as on 31/3/2017. First of all, we will be taking the items of trial balance and we will record accordingly. The first item is capital and drawings. Capital is 2,80,000 and 20,000 respectively. So as in this sum they have also given us current account balance, we have to keep capital fixed. So directly we can write those capital into the balance sheet. Here it is, balance sheet, capital accounts, Man 2,80,000, Mohan 2,20,000, outer column 50,000, 5 lakh. Here drawing is 3,000 and 4,500. So 3,000 and 4,500 drawings amount we will be writing at the debit side of partners current account. Two drawings 3,000 and 4,500. Next item is purchase and sales. Purchase 80,000 and sales 1,20,000. We very well know where to record. Purchase is recorded in trading account debit side, so here it is, to purchase 80,000. Sales is recorded at the credit of trading account, so by sales 1,20,000. Then the next item is advertisement expense 7,000. We very well know advertisement expense is a sales and distribution expense, so it will be debited to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debit side, under the head of sales distribution expense, to advertisement expense rupees 7,000. Next item is carriage outward. How much it is? 850. Again, carriage outward is a sales and distribution expense. So there only at the debit side of profit and loss account, to carriage outward 850. Next item is machine which belongs to office. How much? 1,50,000. So asset side of balance sheet, under non-current tangible asset, here it is non-current tangible assets machinery. How much? It will be recorded 1,50,000. Next item is purchase of machine 40,000. It will be added to machine just we have written 1,50,000 plus purchase 40,000, total amount 1,90,000. We will keep this amount in inner column. We have one adjustment for the same, so the amount right now we are writing in inner column. Next item is building rupees 2,50,000. So here it is asset side only, building 2,50,000. The next item, office salary rupees 15,000. So it is an administrative expense, debit side of profit and loss account, to office salary 15,000. Next item is customers and suppliers 25,000 and 35,000 respectively. Customers and suppliers 25,000 and 35,000. We very well know these are debtors and creditors. So here it is under current asset, customers, that is debtors 25,000, and liability side under current liabilities, suppliers 35,000. Goods return 16,000 and 14,000. Debit side 16,000, that is sales return, credit side 14,000, that is purchase return. So both amount will be deducted from purchase and sales respectively. This 16,000 will be deducted from sales. So here it is in trading account, sales minus sales return 16,000, and the same way from purchase return will be deducted 14,000. The next item is weight charges 450. This is the amount of trading account supposed to be debited to trading account. So to weight charges 450 at the debit side of trading account. Then is loan of Mun. As we know, Mun is a partner and his loan will be considered as long-term liability. So balance sheet liability side under non-current liabilities, loan of Mun 10,000. Then custom duty 1,300 will be recorded at the debit side of trading account. So here it is to custom duty 1,300 debit side of trading account. Next is stock of goods as on 1/4/2016, and we are making final account on 31/3/2017. That is what? This is the opening date of the year. That means this says 42,000 is the amount of opening stock. So opening stock 42,000. Next is trading expense 1,300. So this is the amount of administrative expense which is supposed to be recorded at the debit side of profit and loss account. So here it is under the administrative expense to trading expenses 1,300. Next item, wages and outstanding wages 750 and 2,600 respectively will be recorded. Wages will be recorded at the debit of trading account. So here it is to wages, and outstanding wages will be recorded at the liability side of balance sheet. So liability side of balance sheet, outstanding wages 35,000, 2600. Outstanding wages 2600. The next item is commission received in advance 350. Commission paid in advance rupees 350. So it is what? It is a one kind of prepaid expense that is considered as an asset. So here it is commission paid in advance rupees 350. Asset side of balance sheet. Next item is bank account and cash account 20,700 and 3,000. We very well know this. The debit is always cash balance. The bank balance may be debit or credit. So here this 20,700 will be the balance of cash and 3,000 will be the balance of bank. 20,700 cash balance asset side. Cash balance asset side of balance sheet 20,700. And this bank overdraft rupees 3,000 at the liability side of balance sheet. Bank overdraft 3,000. Next item is interest on loan. This interest is the interest on the loan of month. Loan of month was 10,000. Right now this amount 400 will be recorded at the debit side of profit and loss account. So here it is interest on loan 400. Next, investment in 8% government securities 30,000. Asset side of balance sheet, investment in 8% government securities 30,000. The last item is current accounts. Man debit 8,000, Mohan credit 12,000. So these are the opening balance of current account. Accordingly will be recorded in current account debit and credit side. Two balance brought forward. Man was having debit balance, so written at the debit side 8,000. Mohan was having credit balance, so written at the credit side of Mohan's column. By balance brought down. In the next video we will be considering adjustment. Here we have finished with the trial balance. Thank you.